Hey besties, Crystal Gus here, your Denver Realtor bestie. If you're all about new construction homes and vibrant communities, you are in the right place. Today we're diving into the KB Home Plan 1887 in the Legato community, a beautiful new master plan community in Commerce City, Colorado. Want more info or to schedule a tour? Head over to denverrealtorbestie.com/new homes. All right, grab your coffee and let's tour this fabulous new home together. The Plan 1887 is perfect for anyone who craves a bright, open space that just flows. Picture this, a kitchen island that's perfect for hosting your favorite people or simply sipping your morning coffee. The great room is going to be the heart of the home, ready for cozy nights or lively gatherings. And let's talk about the primary suite, a spacious retreat with a walk-in closet that's basically begging for your next shopping haul. With the split bedroom layout, this home balances privacy and functionality, making it a fantastic option for growing households or anyone wanting a bit of personal space. My favorite floor plans have to be the ones where the primary bedroom is separated from the secondary bedrooms. Now let's talk about why KB stands out. They're one of the most affordable new home builders in the Denver area, but that doesn't mean that you're sacrificing quality. Instead, they focus on delivering energy efficient, thoughtfully designed homes that fit your lifestyle and your budget. It's like getting the best of both worlds, value and style. Plus, they offer customization options that let you create a home as unique as you are. What's not to love about Legato? This master plan community offers everything you need to live your best life. Think walking trails, parks, and even a future on-site middle school. It's a space where neighbors can connect, kids can play, and you can unwind. And did I mention that there are partial mountain views? They're a little reminder of why we all love Colorado. This location is seriously convenient too, just a 15-minute drive to Denver International Airport for those jet-setting weekends, and just 25 minutes to downtown Denver for work or play. Plus, your minutes from shopping, dining, and entertainment options along Tower Road and 104th Avenue. So, what do you think? Can you see yourself calling this home? Let me know your favorite feature in the comments below. And if you're ready to explore this community in person, check out the links in the description to book a tour or grab your free new build buyer's guide. Thanks so much for spending time with me today, besties. I'll see you on the next tour.